This is Ardrossan Castle. Ardrossan Castle sits on the west coast of Scotland in the town of Ardrossan in Ayrshire. The castle, defended by a moat, stands on a ridge above the town. There's a keep dating from the 15th century and a vaulted range containing a kitchen and cellars. And in a deep passageway there is a well. The vaults here became known as Wallace's Larder, because when the English garrison was slaughtered during the Wars of Scottish Independence, Wallace dropped all of the bodies into the vaults.
Through the storm and shadow, whispers remain of battles fought, of blood, of pain.
It's in ruins now, and the original castle was partly destroyed during the Wars of Scottish Independence. In a stormy night, if you visit Ardrossan Castle, there's a possibility you may see a vague, ghostly apparition walking around.
The ghost of Wallace.
This is said to be the ghost of William Wallace himself, who on stormy nights haunts Ardrossan Castle.
Garrison fell to the rebels' hand. Justice carved across the land. Their bodies thrown to the vaults below. A warning wreath in the candles' glow. Wallace's Larder, cold and deep, where the English dead in silence sleep. Echoes drift through the salt-scarred air. The ghost of Wallace still walks there. On storm-tossed nights by the restless sea, a shadow wanders where stone walls be. A warrior spirit, proud and fierce, with eyes that no storm could ever pierce. Wallace's Larder, cold and deep, where the ancient dead forever sleep. Through ruin and rain, his legend remains. The ghost of Wallace guards these chains. Ardrossan crumbles, yet still he roams. A kingless night in his castle's bones. From the broken walls of Ardrossan, I gaze across the tide, where Arran stands in silence on the far and endless Clyde. The banners once were flying, the steel ones struck the stone. Now only waves remember the battles long since gone. Oh, the sea carries whispers of freedom's bitter cry, of Wallace and the fallen who would not yield or die. And the islands keep their secrets in the mists they still confide. The ghost of Scotland's struggle drifts across the Clyde. The garrison lies silent in the Larder, cold and deep. The echoes of their final breath in restless shadows sleep. The castle walls are broken, yet the spirit lingers near. When storms roll off the ocean, his voice is what you hear. The torchlight fades to memory, the years to endless ways, but Ardrossan holds the stories of the bravest and the great. And on a clear horizon, when orange shines with pride, the heart of Scotland answers from the first.